Join me as I try out different breathing techniques to see how fast I can calm down and relieve my stress. Breathing techniques are an amazing tool to manage stress, and the best part is that they're super simple to learn and practice. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you can reduce stress and anxiety in a matter of minutes. Stress is a part of our daily lives, whether we like it or not. We wake up in the morning feeling overwhelmed, our to-do lists are endless, and before we know it, we're stuck in a cycle of constant stress. But what we often forget is that stress doesn't just affect our mental health, it also has a significant impact on our physical well-being. Chronic stress can lead to hypertension, digestive issues, and a weakened immune system, among other problems. And let's be honest, who hasn't experienced those pesky tension headaches or feelings of fatigue after a long, stressful day? The impact of stress can be seen in our relationships, our work, and even our overall quality of life. We become irritable, anxious, and sometimes, we even withdraw from social interactions altogether. So, it's essential to find healthy ways to cope with stress, and that's where breathing techniques come in. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to forget to breathe, quite literally. We're constantly on the go, and before we know it, we're feeling suffocated by our own worries and fears. But the truth is, our breath has the power to calm us down, slow us down, and bring us back to the present moment. Let's dive into some of the most effective breathing techniques to relieve stress. One of the most well-known techniques is diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing. When we breathe into our diaphragm, our belly rises, our chest remains still, and our breath becomes deeper and more relaxed. This type of breathing triggers a response in our nervous system that tells our brain to calm down and relax. Another powerful technique is the 4-7-8 method, also known as the relaxation breath. This technique involves breathing in through your nose for a count of 4, holding your breath for a count of 7, and breathing out through your mouth for a count of 8. This slow, deliberate breathing pattern helps slow down our heart rate, lowers our blood pressure, and brings us into a state of relaxation. Let's try the 4-7-8 method together. Find a comfortable seated position, place one hand on your belly and the other on your chest. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4, feeling your belly rise as you breathe in. Hold your breath for a count of 7, and exhale through your mouth for a count of 8, feeling your belly fall as you breathe out. Repeat this process several times, letting go of any tension or stress as you exhale. As you continue to breathe, focus on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Allow yourself to relax, to let go of any thoughts or worries that are weighing you down. Remember, the goal isn't to control your breathing, but to allow your body to relax and calm down naturally. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel any remaining stress or tension melt away. You're doing great. Keep practicing, and remember, the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Incorporating breathing techniques into your daily routine can make a huge difference in how you respond to stress. By taking just a few minutes each day to practice deep, conscious breathing, you can reduce anxiety, improve your mood, and increase your overall sense of well-being. Thanks for joining me on this journey to calm down and relieve stress through breathing techniques. If you have a favorite stress relief method, share it with us in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about mindfulness, check out our next video for some amazing tips and tricks.